Good morning to all. Happy to see you all in the evening. Today, we are going to see regarding an industry case study on our subject wireless ad hoc and sensor network. So, today case study it entirely deals with on the motor with the help of using the sensors, right? So, we visited a company called Technosoft. They are working on the using the sensor product which is related to the industry of machineries. So we thought of having interaction with the company called Technosoft. When we have an interaction with them, they have a lot of difficulties in explaining their pain problems on finding the motor vibration noise. It's very difficult for them. So in some cases, the noise from coming from motor will be higher one. Possibly it will lead to the damage to the motor. So in case of that, it will be very difficult for them to identify. So we'll be having discussion with them. These are the main uh, discussion we had with the empathy part. So we thought of considering that as our case study. So that is why we consider the case study on motor vibrating detection and as well as monitoring with the help of using sensors. In general case, the manual way of finding the motor vibration detection, it's a huge task because whenever if the human being is going near to the motor, it will be too loud for them to identify. So they possibly the damage occur to the inspection of the people also. So in order to avoid that, our case study will be suggest in such a way that find a suitable solution which will be helpful for the industry and for the people. The company will be named as Technosoft and the case study which entirely deals on the motor analytics part. So where it comes under the data involved on the prediction of vibration comes under the motor. So that is why we choose in the trust area as data analytics. So we have to study on the detailed analytic part of where the types of vibration occurred in the motor and what are all the parameters we are going to consider. All these has to be analytic and we have to predict what are all the prediction may happen during the lot of noises happen in the motor. So that is why we have chosen data analytics as a trust area. When we come to this industry vertical, it will be helpful for the industry and it leads to the city also. That is why it comes under smart city. So we thought choosing the smart city as an industry vertical. So when we having a discussion with the members while having the empathy part, this is where the motor plays a vital role in the industry part because many of the working thing will be on entirely deals only with the machinery parts. So a lot of motor involved in that. So with that, a lot of vibration will be involved in that. So due to this, the vibration cause a lot of damage in the machine and it leads to the cost expenditures also. So when we have a lot of discussion on that and we prioritize the higher priority on the view and we listed out the four major pain problems they had with their industry members. A major thing will be very difficult in finding the vibration. So in case of a huge motor in an industry, right? So we can't able to identify the vibrations whether it comes from motor or some other thing, right? So with that, with the manual way will be leads to a huge task. It's a very big challenge for them to identify the vibration, right? So there, which leads to the time duration taken for finding the vibration, it will be a larger amount. So that it leads to more time required for this. With this, a lot of cost expensive may happen because it takes larger time to find in case of failure may occur. So in case a motor failure may occur, automatically it will lead for the loss in the company for replacement of the motor. So it leads to the cost expensiveness also, where we involve a lot of human resource where for finding the identification purpose, so this will be led to larger amount of human will be wasted. So these are the four major aspects where this problem empathy part deals with. Difficulty in identification, right, which leads to the time more and as well as the expense of cost will be a higher one in order to reduce the human resource. When we categorize all these four in empathy part, we thought of finding a single problem defined statement. Will all four will be comes under the equal category. But when you go to a common point that the basic fundamental part which is needed for the solution will be difficult in finding the identification of vibration in motor. So with this common point only the additional points will be dependent on. So we thought of converging into a single point of that, which is identification part, where difficult in finding the motor vibration and monitoring. So this leads to the define of problem statement in such a way that find the right suitable solution for solving this problem defined. When we define the problem statement, so we thought of ideating various solution and then we among the discussion with the company members and we find a best solution which will be suitable for the company and as well as for the industry to the grow to the next level. So when we analyze that, uh, the mobile application will play a huge vital role while solving this problem statement because we thought of giving the solution in such a way that will be helpful for solving the vibration problem, right? So the solution which we have discussion finally with the company members that so we will be developing a mobile application where it will be supported for all the Android and other things. The application will be suitable in such a way that it will display the entire detailed message regarding the motor vibration and continuously it will be monitored by the supervisor so that the regular monitoring will be done on time. In order to go for the frequent way of monitoring the um, vibration of the motor with the help of human resource, we can avoid all these in these barricades. So this is where our replication deals on this solving the problem. It leads to the life saving of motor because in many cases the identification taking a lot of time which leads to the huge amount of damage to the motor because in industry a lot of machineries are having a huge amount of price. So in order to reduce that in case, this application will be helpful in on-demand basis of finding the vibrations on accurate basis to reduce the cost. When we have a statistical survey, the average number of percentage which will be used by the customer will be on mobile application. Around 45 percentage of the people which you are using on mobile application. So it will be best suitable for the mobile application for the industry members to access in such a way that the design part of the application and interface between the sensor and as well as the mobile application, it plays a huge vital role because we are going to place the sensors in the motor area. Vibration sensor will be placed in the motor area so that it will be fixing some threshold value in that. Once it reaches the threshold value, automatically the vibrating sensors will sense a message, an alert message, and will be forwarded to the with the help of transmitter and will be received by the mobile application. So that the mobile application will be displaying the entire message regarding the alert message of the motor. So that the members of the industry can be takes place the future process. So which will be a very huge helpful for the life of the motor. When we come to the benefits, there are four major benefits involved in our application. When we are working on to the application part, where it entirely deals with the problem which we had. So we thought of solving that comes into a benefit part. So where the reduce the application to a manual work in a larger extent, so that the manual work will be strictly avoided. So due to this automated way of interface between a sensor and the application. So that is your first benefit. With this time, the time constraint will be very less because while taking the manual way, it will be more time. So with this application, the frequently the time reduced for taking by the manual way will be entirely reduced with the help of this application. And when we comes for cost wise, when we will take for installation and the maintenance, it will take only minimum amount of cost required and it will be run for a longer period of time so that a huge amount of cost investment will not be wasted. This plays a vital role in the industry part. And then the way of finding the defects with the help of this vibrating sensor will be more accurate and easy to identify the fault. So these are the four major benefits which the application which we suggest. So with the help of these applications, it will be suitable in such a way of handling the detection with the help of vibrating sensor and you can solve to a larger extent. This is where the application entirely deals with, right? So the application in such a way that it will be best suitable for solving this apt solution for the motor vibrating detection case. So with this, I am concluding that we have given a suitable solution for the industry. In such a way, we have started with the empathy part and we came to a single common point of problem defined part, and we have a different way of ideation part with the members, and finally we conclude a suitable solution for the apt problem. Thank you. With this, I'm concluding my case study. Thank you for the patience.